Welcome to solving simultaneous equations, where we have two or more equations and the same number of variables. We will learn how to find the values of these variables. Let's consider the first equation, 2x plus 3y equals 7. And the second equation is x minus 2y equals negative 3. We need to solve these two equations simultaneously to find the values of x and y. First, let's solve the second equation for x, which gives us x equals 2y minus 3. Now, substitute the expression for x from the second equation into the first equation. Simplify the equation by combining like terms. Continue simplifying to isolate the variable y. Add 6 to both sides of the equation to get closer to solving for y. Finally, divide by 7 to find the value of y. Now that we have the value of y, substitute it back into the equation for x. Simplify the expression for x. Convert the whole number 3 into a fraction with a denominator of 7 to combine it with a fraction. Subtract the fractions to find the value of x. So, the solution to the simultaneous equations is x equals 5 over 7 and y equals 13 over 7. That's how you solve simultaneous equations using substitution. Remember to check your work by plugging the values back into the original equations.